All right, so here we got Bitcoin on the 4 hour on Bybit. So as you can see, we broke out of the top of that range. Like we were talking about, got rejected from that purple region that we've had mapped out for quite a while, ever since we got first into this range. Remember we were talking about 32,500, but we didn't quite get up to there. Right now we're being held down by the 200. Um, we'll talk about the bearish and bullish case here in a minute. Oh, by the way, I'm wearing the McDonald's shirt today for in honor of everyone that has to work at McDonald's now. Yeah. So here on Bitcoin, yeah. So like I said, it seems like we're kind of front running the 200 right now. We did kind of get a BART down. We kind of front ran this purple region. Uh, we'll talk about the bearish case and see if we're going to come back down to this 21, possibly close inside this purple region here. So your momentum right now, it's looking pretty good. You're deep into the bullish control zone. Above that signal line, your MACD is a pretty strong upside curvature. Your positive momentum is decreasing a bit now, so we could get a pullback. And that pullback could lead us down possibly to 31,500. We'll find out. Could be on this candle actually. Your vol is high. As you see, your BBWP is in the upper zone. Looks like it's contracting a bit. I mean, we could go sideways even. That's the neutral case. I mean, we could go sideways from, 31,400 to 32,250. Let's go down to the 1 hour. So yeah, here on the 1 hour, we are making, let's see here. So yeah, we kind of had this barred a little bit, came back up. Your momentum, your momentum's looking decent. Looks like, I mean, unless we turn it around, it looks like we could have more of a pullback here. We did make a higher high though, so that's I would expect us to, if we do get a pullback, to come down to about 31,750. And worst case scenario, this purple region and the 50 at 3,800. Um, so yeah, the bearish case is that your momentum gets out of the bullish control zone all the way, possibly comes down to this neutral line, your MACD, your negative momentum on the histogram starts picking up a bit. Either you get a signal line retest or just a resumption down, and your vol keeps expanding. As you see, your BBWP is expanding slightly. We would have major support down here at the 31,650 level at this POC point of control in the VPVR. Also, where a lot of volume was traded in this range right here. So let's go to, okay, we're going to go to the range chart, and it's going to take a minute. So I'm going to get a drink. Come on, TradingView. There we go. Good boy. Okay, so right now your stochastic is crossing to the downside right now. One tick though, so it still could be a retest and resumption up. That would be the bullish case if we get the retest and resumption up. We are on Solana right now, so let's go to Bitcoin. I keep doing that shit. Solana's in another video. Okay, so we did bounce off the bottom of this Bollinger Band, the bottom Bollinger Band. Got above that 20 SMA, and right now we are trying to close. We did close above the top side Bollinger Band, but it looks like we dipped right back into it. So here's that 31,650 level again. It's also one of the POC. Well, it's not a POC, but it is a deep level on the VPVR. Let's go back to the trend chart, and then we'll really cover the bullish and bearish cases. The bullish case is that we either bounce off of this 31, we'll call it 31,650, or the 21. We could get a wick down to the 21 and close above here. That would have a high probability, which we would make a higher low than this low. We are operating on a higher high basis as of now. Worst case scenario, come down to this 50, 38, 60, somewhere in this purple region right here, and then bounce up. Now, we already covered the bearish case, but on that bullish case, we would want to see this MACD cross to the upside, and on the RSI, us get back into the bullish control zone, which we are below that signal line right now. In order to cross, where is my... Okay, there we go. We need to get above 32.30 in order to cross that signal line to the upside. That would be the first bullish variable that I'd be looking at. In order to cross that signal line on the MACD, we need to get above 32.360. So that would be the second variable I'd be looking at. If we can do both of those, I think the positive momentum would continue to increase as your vol expands. And I do think you would break this purple region and then start our way up to 35. Now, the real question is this the last rally? That is the question of the day. And you kind of need to ask yourself that so you can stay nimble and stay prepared. This red region is what I'm looking at here. This is danger zone, massive danger zone. I'm actually going to raise this up now in order to cover that line. That would be the danger zone. As you see, I'm placing an alert right here. Let's go ahead and pop this on. Come on, dude. Why is it lagging? Hopefully the video is not laggy. I really hope so. I changed some things around. Somebody told me that one of the videos were laggy. So me and a member changed some settings around. So hopefully that works. Hopefully that makes it better. Okay, so our major moving averages on the 1 hour, your 100 did cross that 200. The trend and the momentum is starting to pick up. I mean, as you see on your MACD, you're trying to get back above that signal line. We need to get back above 32,360. Okay, so that has a level of confluence to it as well. On the RSI, we're still in the bullish control zone. We did fall below that signal line. We need to get back above 31,978. So right there in order to cross that signal line to the upside. So either we go up from here or we come down to this purple or either we go up from here, come down to this 21, make a higher low, or come down to this 50, freak everybody out with the, some sort of a double top pattern here, and then resume up. I do think we're going higher. I don't think we fall below this purple region. So long story short, those are my thoughts. Now we could always go sideways here too. If we start going sideways, that'd be a good chance, get some scalps in, whatnot. By the way, if you guys are liking this video so far, like and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you can stay in tune with this time-sensitive content. This stuff is very time-sensitive. Sometimes these moves happen like right after I do a video. Sometimes it's hard to even get it out fast enough before the moves happen. So everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you tomorrow.